Hey there, fellow AI enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself curious about the art of AI prompt engineering but felt it was a bit too much to digest? Well, today's your lucky day. We're going to simplify things and guide you through the essentials. So get comfortable and let's dive right in. Excited about exploring the fascinating world of AI prompt engineering? Before we jump in, let's make sure you've got everything you need for this thrilling expedition. Imagine AI prompt engineering as baking a delicious two-layered cake. First, there's the technical layer. This isn't just the foundation, it's the rich, flavorful base of our cake. It's where all the tech magic comes alive. We're talking codes, algorithms, and all that techie stuff that makes AI tick. Here's the deal. To truly vibe with AI, you've got to understand its heartbeat. Dive into resources like this video and various courses to get a solid grip. And hey, remember, even the best bakers had to start somewhere. Then there's the non-technical layer. Picture this as the light, airy frosting on our cake. This is where your intuition and creativity come into play. It's what makes interacting with AI feel personal and unique, even if you're not a tech guru. The key here, while technical knowledge is a plus, it's your personal touch that makes the AI journey truly special. So, trust your gut, take your time, and let your imagination run wild. Think of it as choosing the perfect toppings for your cake. So, as we get ready to delve deeper into AI prompt engineering, always remember it's about striking the right balance between tech expertise and your own unique flair. With the right tools and a dash of enthusiasm, you're on your way to crafting some AI magic. Hey there, ready to dive deep into our AI toolbox? Let's get started and I'll make sure we keep things light and fun. So, what's in the technical layer? Let's open this treasure box. AI, in essence, is like this grand castle in the tech realm. It's all about giving machines a touch of our smarts. Quick question. You've seen those robot vacuums dodging stuff in your living room, right? That's AI making choices just like you and me. Ever thought about this? Siri or Alexa? You chat, they respond. That's AI, understanding and chatting right back at you. Ever heard of natural language processing, NLP? It's where tech meets our chatter. Imagine teaching a computer to chat, kind of like training a parrot. Here's a fun fact. When you ask your phone about the weather and it doesn't play a random tune, that's NLP making sure it gets you. You've used Google Translate, right? That's NLP in action, switching languages like a pro. Let's talk programming basics. Think of coding as the secret recipe behind all things digital. You don't have to be a gourmet chef, but a basic recipe can help. Ever played with Lego? That's coding for you. Each piece or line of code builds up to something fantastic. Here's a way to see it. Baking a cake by following a recipe is a lot like coding. Nail the steps and you've got something tasty. Have you tried different AI models? It's like test driving cars. Each has its vibe. The more you try, the better you get the feel. Here's the thing. It's about finding that AI model that just clicks with your prompts. Ever sampled a bunch of ice creams? The more you try, the better you know your favorite. All right, wrapping up the tech bits. These tools, they're your passport to the AI wonderland. Stay curious and you're all set for some epic adventures. But hold on. Beyond the tech, there's something special that brings it all to life. Ready to uncover the non-technical magic? What about the non-technical layer? Let's brew some magic. Creativity, ever thought about it? Picture AI as a canvas and your creativity? That's the paint. The wilder your imagination, the more stunning the final piece. Ever built a sandcastle? It's not just sand and water. With a creative touch, it's a fortress, a mythical creature, or an entire kingdom. Heard AI crafted songs or tales? Add a bit of your creativity and the results, both entertaining and uniquely yours. Problem solving, how good are you at it? The AI journey has its bumps. When you hit one, how quickly can you reroute? Ever tried a tricky puzzle? That's a bit like AI. Sometimes it's challenging, but with some patience, it all clicks. Ever taken a wrong turn and found a new route? That's you, problem solving on the fly. How's your communication game? It's your bridge between thoughts and the digital world. Whether it's a chat with Siri or sharing an idea, clarity is everything. Ever explained a new game to a buddy? That's communication. The clearer you are, the faster they're in the game. Ordered a custom pizza lately? Be clear with your toppings and you get just what you wanted. Got an eye for detail? In the vast AI world, sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference. Ever played Where's Waldo? Spotting him in a crowd? That's attention to detail for you. Ever been on a treasure hunt? Often the tiniest hint leads to the biggest find. Are you a curious soul? The AI universe is vast. With a curious spirit, every challenge becomes an opportunity. Remember being super curious as a kid? That's the vibe. Tried a new hobby recently? Might be tricky at first, but with curiosity, every try is a fresh adventure. All right, closing our non technical chat, this is what makes your AI experience truly magical. With these skills, you're not just operating AI, you're dancing with it. Ready to groove? Wondering where to kick things off? You're in luck. You've already stumbled upon a fantastic online course to get you going. But hey, this isn't the only gem out there. Let's map out some more treasures to boost your knowledge. So, what's the game plan for AI mastery? Let's talk about the four pillars. Ever dived into online courses? Think of the internet as this massive, sparkling sea, and each course, that's a hidden gem just waiting for you. Here's the deal: whether you're just dipping your toes into AI or diving deep into NLP, there's a course crafted just for you. Ever tried a cooking class? You start with the basics, and before you know it, you're cooking up a storm. That's what these courses feel like. And speaking of gems, let's shine a light on this course right here. And guess what? It's on the house. If you're finding value in it, a like and subscribe would mean the world to me. Let's grow this community together. How about books and articles? Picture a snug corner, a warm drink in hand, and a book that's your gateway to the AI world. Here's a thought: from beginner guides to deep dives by experts, there's so much to explore in written form. Remember that feeling when reading a gripping book? Now imagine that same excitement, but you're diving deep into AI's secrets. Ever joined an AI community online? Think of them as bustling marketplaces from old tales where stories and knowledge are exchanged. What's the vibe? Share your AI experiences, learn from fellow explorers, and together navigate the twists and turns of AI. Ever been part of a book club? You read, chat, share thoughts, and each discussion, it's like opening a new chapter of discovery. Ready for some hands on experimentation? Picture this as your magical workshop where every test, every prompt is a new creation waiting to happen. Here's the fun part: the more you play around, experiment, and adjust, the deeper you dive into AI's magic. Taught a pet a new trick lately? It's all about patience, trying again and again, and a sprinkle of creativity. Similarly, with each prompt, you're guiding AI through a new dance routine. Wrapping things up, setting out on this AI journey, it's like embarking on an epic quest. With these four pillars guiding you, every challenge is a new adventure, every hiccup a learning curve. So gear up and let your curiosity lead the way. All right, as we're wrapping up this part of our journey, let's pause for a sec. Breathe in, breathe out, ready for what's coming next. So, what's this AI ascent all about? Think of it as climbing from base camp to the summit. Ever thought of AI like climbing Everest? Starting with AI prompt engineering can feel like you're at the base, looking up at that massive peak. It's awe-inspiring, a bit intimidating, but oh, so inviting. Here's a simple way to see it. Just like climbing, diving into AI is about prep, grit, and a whole lot of heart. Heard of Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay? Before they made history on Everest, they faced doubts and hurdles. But with the right mindset and gear, they reached the top. So what's in your AI backpack? It's not just about physical tools. It's the skills and insights you've picked up. Ever thought about your AI toolkit? Just like a climber wouldn't set off without a compass, you need your AI strategies, methods, and the collective wisdom of fellow explorers. Remember learning to ride a bike? Training wheels, a bit of guidance, maybe a few falls, and then you were off, pedaling away. With the right AI resources, you'll be cruising through the AI landscape in no time. From beginner to pro, every expert, every guru, they all started somewhere. They had their bumps and bruises along the way. Here's the beauty of the journey. Embrace each learning moment, celebrate the small wins, and remember every hiccup is just a step towards mastery. Ever thought about your favorite star or athlete? Before the fame, there were countless hours of practice, dedication, and a dash of dreaming big. All right, as we turn this page, always remember, AI prompt engineering isn't just a skill. It's an adventure, a tale with you as the main character. With your toolkit ready and that spark of curiosity, you're geared up to write your AI saga. So jump in and let's make some AI magic together.